Welcome back to the show, guys. Let's meet Antigua-based reggae and dancehall artist Fucha Kid in this week's Talent on the Rise segment.
Well, Fucha Kid is an Irish article youth, born in Guyana originally, raised in Antigua, and spent a lot of time in Jamaica, you know, doing music. And just an individual, calm, cool person, you know. I just love the music and the vibes of reggae, dancehall. Even soca, I'm more usually of like a fusion artist. Everybody knows me as a fusion artist. My old man, he was a DJ. My mother, she was in the choir. My grandfather owned a sound system. So I was into music from scratch, but then I have this other cousin named Nature Kid. When he came to Antigua in '99, that's when I really took it up and started dealing with it more serious. Back in Antigua, sometimes people listen to the accent and they're like, yo, you know Guyanese, you know, some people think me Jamaican, some think Antiguan, but some people say, boy, you have a different accent. So I guess that's just the Caribbean accent of different culture mixed up as one. My real name is Carl Edwards. The name Fucha Kid was given to me by my same cousin Nature Kid, because I always have this thing for foresights, like just have visions, and then I might tell you this now that I see this vision, and then it probably happen 2 minutes, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, you see the same vision happen right in front of your eyes. So that's how I got the name. Some work with Big Ship a few years ago, way back into early 2007. Notice Productions. I did a lot of work.
Make money move, make money move, make money move, make money move, make money move. You win not lose, let me see you move. Make money move, make money move, money move. Every girl me a jam, me a buy juice. In a band man I make pay money move. Gyal a wine, gyal a bubble, make money move. Tip every girl me a jam, money move. Make money move, make money move, make money move, make money move, make money move. You win not lose, let me see you move. Make money move, make money move, money move.
The label has been around for quite a while, but we registered, got it into the serious business mode in 2015. Yeah, no, 2014, because we're 4 years now. It basically started from me, started doing my thing at Chosen Sounds, left Chosen Sounds, started Federation Studio with another youth. Things didn't go so well, so I moved on with Federation, started over somewhere else again with another bedroom of mine named Kevin, an Antiguan bedroom. And from there, we just start recruiting artists. We did quite a few projects, and one of them is Step Dance, which is what we're releasing right now in Jamaica, the video and everything. The Step Dance rhythm, I think we did that rhythm in 2015, and we just have it there and we release it worldwide already. It's already all around the world, so you can get that on iTunes. And the offering in the music in Antigua is a different diversity of artists, because our artists, they don't just sing one genre of music. You can, yes, they can focus on reggae and do reggae very well, but if you give them a hip-hop, you give them a dancehall, a soca, they flow on that rhythm as well and sound good doing it, like myself. So that's the difference with Federation, and the artists are very hype and energetic, and that's what people love about Federation.
Money move, make money move, make money move, make money move. You win not lose, let me see you move. Make money move, make money move. No, I make money. I make money moves, I make money. I make money moves, I make money. I make money moves, mama want me.
Banks of the Hope is the new video from Agent Sasco. Let's check it out.
Yeah, we put your first and second and third. Watch your blessings come forth, blessings come forth. Yo, it is a miracle to make your thing shot and not end up a gun court, end up a gun court. Growing up on the banks of the Hope. Never give up and we never lose hope, and we never sell out and never sell dope. No ironically, everything where we say the says dope. Listen, it never break with spirit growing up, bro. Roll out smelling like carbolic soap. Yes, I regular we run boat just to stay afloat, and we run joke just to cope. Yeah, I know social mobility, limited scope, but mama make we know so time longer than rope. We no frightened for nothing, cause we used to go without from food food stamp and no stamp fill up a passport. Yeah, watch juvenile, no put no gun in your transport. Fi collect no bank note, no that at the wrong spot. Hey, everybody want a bus like public transport, but all the food, everything curry like gold. Put your first and second and third, watch your blessings come forth, blessings come forth. Yo, it is a miracle fi make your thing shot and end up a gun court, end up a gun court. Growing up on the banks of the hope. Never give up and we never lose hope. And we never sell out and never sell dope. No ironically, everything when we say the says dope. All roads up road to back road. Have to make a mark like the chalk on the blackboard. Hey, have to do one thing for mama back load. Spearing off to make the clock load. Here and now, the whole lot of an hope flat back to common. Till mackerel have to kill because we now go bow for salmon. And we now go on no station, answer to no summons. Putting up resistance just like berry salmon.
After the break, we head to Brownstown St. Anne for the opening of the legendary sports bar. More when we return.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some Michaela Leeanna. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star then. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice. Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.